I am Seyed Somayeh Fatemi Nasab, a PhD student at Islamic Azad University, Mashhad branch. This paper has been extracted from my PhD thesis. I would like to express my thankfulness to my great professors Dr. Davoud Bahrepour and Dr. Seyed Reza Kamel Tabbakh for contributing to this paper. We are grateful for the opportunity to present our paper. This paper is a review on secure data storage and data sharing techniques in blockchain-based IoT healthcare systems. Transmitting and maintaining integrity in storage and sharing of healthcare data are essential issues. In recent years, a considerable amount of literature has been published on storage and sharing of healthcare data. The advent of blockchain has provided a secure platform for storing and sharing data. Therefore, blockchain has been used in healthcare systems. In this paper, we will have an extensive review on secure data storage and data sharing techniques in blockchain-based IoT healthcare systems. In recent years, using IoT to improve the health of the public has gained more prominence. Researchers require the accurate data to analysis of medical data, where accurate and intact data are collected automatically without human error by IoT devices. Although IoT devices have been used to collect medical data, there have been challenges of secure data storage and sharing. Therefore, using IoT in healthcare has specific requirements and limitations such as low computing resources, energy consumption, and latency. On the other hand, some features such as reliability, confidentiality, privacy, and integrity are significant subjects to secure transferring, storage, and sharing of healthcare data. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that provides immutable data using distributed, encrypted, and hashing. The blockchain advantages consist of integrity, confidentiality, and avoiding a single point of failure. Therefore, in recent years, blockchain has been used to secure collecting, storage, and sharing of electronic healthcare records. Blockchain is a growing list of blocks that are linked by hash, and it is created, stored, and maintained in peer-to-peer networks. Blockchain is a secure platform for storing and sharing data, where permission is required to access the raw data. One of the important applications of blockchain is a smart contract. Smart contracts are self-executing and self-governing protocols that establish the efficiency and implementation of the agreement between two or more sections without needing a third party. Ethereum and Hyperledger Fabric are the most prominent examples of blockchain-based smart contract platforms. There are two categories of blockchain-based IoT healthcare systems. One, the systems that are based on smart contract platforms, and two, designing IoT healthcare systems based on blockchain. The systems that are based on smart contract platforms. Many smart contract blockchain platforms have been designed and offered for usage by users. Ethereum and Hyperledger Fabric are the most prominent examples of blockchain-based platforms. A number of IoT healthcare systems have used Ethereum and Hyperledger Fabric platforms for storage and sharing medical data. The review on the systems that are based on smart contract platforms show that in the early years of using Ethereum smart contract, it is more widely used. Firstly, Ethereum smart contract platform has been released earlier than the Hyperledger Fabric blockchain network. Secondly, the smart contract platform Ethereum charges a transaction fee for storing transactions on the blockchain, while the Hyperledger Fabric smart contract has no transaction fee. Designing IoT healthcare systems based on blockchain. In this section, the blockchains that are designed for storing and sharing EHR in IoT healthcare systems are reviewed. These systems have been designed and implemented associated with the healthcare requirements. The performance of these systems is different in terms of the features such as security criteria, consensus algorithm, platform tools, and so on. The main purpose of blockchain-based IoT healthcare system is to maintain security. To achieve this purpose, a number of security criteria are defined that are important for data storage and data sharing. These criteria are confidentiality, traceability, privacy, access control, accountability, auditability, authentication, data ownership, data monitoring. In the table, the security criteria of blockchain-based IoT healthcare systems are compared with each other. According to the table, in many works, the privacy has been considered. Also, some works has been attended in terms of criteria of patient data ownership and access control. Therefore, it can be concluded that due to the sensitivity of healthcare data, their safe storage is very important. On the other hand, authentication of users has been observed in some works because they want to collect and store data that trusted users have sent it. Blockchain-based IoT healthcare systems reviewed in this paper have been implemented according to different consensus algorithms. In the table, the consensus algorithms of these systems are reviewed. According to the table, in recent years, the approach of using consensus algorithms that require few resources is increasing. Therefore, it can be seen that practical Byzantine fault tolerance (PBFT) and proof of authority (POA) algorithms have been used have been used more in recent years. The figure demonstrates the statistics for using different consensus algorithms in the blockchain-based IoT healthcare systems in recent years. According to the figure, it can be seen that the percentage of using of hybrid consensus algorithms is of interest because these algorithms can use the features of several consensus algorithms such as high security, low resource consumption, low traffic network, and more scalability. Blockchain-based IoT healthcare systems are designed and implemented with some tools. Statistics for using different tools in blockchain-based IoT healthcare research is shown in the figure. The figure demonstrates comparing the implementation tools of blockchain-based IoT healthcare systems. The approach of using smart contract platforms has been reducing due to increasing requirements of IoT healthcare systems. Because healthcare requirements have been increasing and existing blockchain-based smart contract platforms do not have effective performance for them. In this paper, various blockchain-based IoT healthcare systems are investigated for data storage and data sharing. In this research, the terms of performance, security criteria, consensus algorithms, and implementation tools of the IoT healthcare systems were discussed. In the evaluation of security criteria of IoT healthcare systems, it was observed that due to the high sensitivity and security of healthcare data, it is very important to protect their privacy. Also, other important security criteria are ownership of user data and access control. Comparison of healthcare systems in terms of network efficiency and consensus algorithms demonstrated that approach of using hybrid consensus algorithms is increasing. Hybrid consensus algorithms can use the advantages of different consensus algorithms to increase network efficiency. The implementation tools demonstrated that due to increased requirements of IoT healthcare systems, the approach of using smart contract platforms is reducing. Therefore, in recent years, IoT healthcare requirements were considered to design their blockchain networks, where the requirement of storage retrieval, sharing, scalability, and reliability can be provided. Thank you for your attention.